So this is what I thought the first day of college would look like. Yes, I would be doing exactly what the guy here is doing, but instead, this is how first day went. Welcome to a new chapter of my life. Welcome to day one of every commerce student's dream college. The dream college which is now a reality, SRCC. Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I'm Ananya. If you're new here, please subscribe. Welcome to the first day at SRCC vlog. I'm so excited to be filming this, but unfortunately, college has started online, which literally sucks. I wish I could do this in person by going to college. But anyway, today is the 22nd of November and आज SRCC का orientation है. So I'm going to be joining the webinar for that. So I have some time before the orientation starts. So I'm going to continue working on a course I started recently. So I have been learning coding, or more specifically Python, on this platform called DataCamp. I'm currently doing the intermediate course of Python because I've already done the basic one. So DataCamp is an online learning platform that makes acquiring data skills much more easier and convenient for everyone. In this day and age, it's very important for you guys to develop new skill sets that will help you to build your career, and obviously there's no better time to do it but now. The market value for such skill sets has become extremely high, and I totally believe that you guys should also start working on these skills. DataCamp will help you to go from someone who's a beginner or knows absolutely nothing about this field to becoming a pro, developing new skill sets which will help you to unlock different career opportunities and stand out professionally. DataCamp has over 350 courses that are designed by experts, and with these courses of all different levels, both newbies and pros can grow their knowledge, and I'm sure these skill sets will be really valuable for you. What do you guys think? And I totally understand some of you might think we know absolutely nothing about this field, but you don't have to worry, because using DataCamp's free assessment, you can get personalized learning recommendations and start your journey in data science. And you can learn all these skills online. You do not need to download any software. And the one thing I really like is their gamified experience, using which I get XP points every time I complete a chapter or a course, which keeps me motivated to continue working on these courses. You can start working on these courses depending on the skill sets you want to develop or the career opportunities you want to explore. And you really need to try out DataCamp to actually believe what I'm saying. It really doesn't matter even if you're in class 6 or you are in first year of college. You guys should start using DataCamp and become data fluent. Use my link in the description and you can check out the first chapter of any DataCamp course for free. So what are you waiting for? Go sign up right now. And now I need to continue working on this. They've sent the Zoom link to us on email, and this orientation is live on Facebook and YouTube as well. As usual, Zoom के साथ इतने issues होते हैं, so they are fixing the technical issues. Let's hope कि start हो जाए. Now they are playing a PPT of the whole backstory of SRCC. So till now the principal का speech is done, and all the other professors are also speaking a few words. There's a tea break, so I'm gonna watch YouTube instead, because why not? The Music Society of SRCC just performed something that was really cool. Now it's finally the interesting part. They're talking about all the societies, and it literally seems so much fun and it's so interesting. I can't wait to be a part of all of these societies. Yeah. Here's a little glimpse of the societies for you guys. What do you think? Which society should I join? So this is what first day of college would apparently look like.
कॉलेज आईडी कार्ड हो ना, कॉलेज आईडी कहाँ जाने की सोच रहे हो? ब्रो वेयर द लाइब्रेरी हियर? बड़ा पहला दिन है, कुंभ का मेला है, वहाँ हाथ पकड़ के जाना, किसी का नहीं तो भूल जाओ. So the orientation is finally over. It was actually a long one, but yeah, basically they were telling us about the facilities of the college and what goes on inside. We have an idea of what college will be like, but the most interesting part was definitely the end, when they showed us like a skit of what first day of college would look like if we went in campus, and it was actually quite relatable and funny. And yeah, mainly जो सबसे important बात पता चली है is that कल से classes are starting, and that's not a problem, but the classes are going to be at 8:30 in the morning, which is so early. अब तो obviously आदत भी नहीं है, and thankfully it's online, so it's still manageable. But yeah, I really wish offline होता तो कितना मजा आता ये सब attend करने में. But anyway, I think I'm gonna continue the vlog tomorrow as well, क्योंकि technically that is the first day of college. आज सिर्फ orientation था, and now I'm just gonna watch YouTube videos and get my work done.
The next day.
Hey guys, it's the next day, and finally finally my classes have begun, but it's 8:30 in the morning. This is too early for me. We got the timetable yesterday night and my first class is of business law, so I'm going to join in for that. So first class is successfully done. It was actually pretty good and 1 घंटे की class थी. Now I have a 10 minutes का break and the next class will start. The next class is of financial accounting. So second class is done as well. It was more like an interaction. कोई पढ़ाई नहीं हुई. So very chill. And now I have the third class for the day. That is my general elective. That is economics. The teacher is not here, तो शायद class नहीं होने वाली है. So till 1:15 I have nothing to do. Since we had no class, we were just getting to know each other in the meeting. So I took a shower clearly and as you saw previously हमारी class नहीं हुई तो we all joined the meeting and we were just having random conversations because we don't have any other option at least for the next 1 month, so we have to attend online classes. It is around 1:30. I'm going to join in for my next EVS ka class. So far so good. It's been very chill. Okay, I'm going to join the class now. So classes are done and obviously पढ़ाई तो हुई नहीं है as such because it's just the first day, but it feels so weird कि यार college start हो गया है but like कुछ पढ़ने के लिए नहीं है because usually it's like when you attend online classes then you have something to study. ऐसे full 12th grade वाली feels आ रही है जब online पढ़े थे. I'm gonna chill, get some work done, maybe do some coding, edit my videos. There's so much fun content. Oh my god. So it's like almost 12 but I really didn't do anything fun after that, so that's the reason I didn't vlog anything. But now I am really tired and kal fir se the classes are going to start. So if you made it till here, comment these emojis, and this pretty much sums up the entire day 1 and day 2 as well of SRCC, although I will continue the vlog for the entire week, so stay tuned for that. And thank you so much for watching this video. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, then don't forget to hit the like button and also subscribe to my channel. Share this video with your friends, follow me on Instagram, and until next time, bye.